Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. So on my channel I like to share all things natural living, essential oil, natural product related, and I share some of those products that I make for myself as well as for my natural bath and body business. For today's project, we're going to be making a whipped sugar scrub using the foaming bath butter base from Stephensons. So it's a really great option as far as a pre-made base. It makes a great product, and we're going to be doing it lemon themed. Just, you know, citrus is so nice for summer. I thought that would be a good choice. So let's go ahead and get started. So today we are doing a foaming bath butter, a foaming sugar scrub, and we're using the Stephensons foaming bath butter base. I have 8 ounces of it in my stand mixer bowl here. And then to that, we're gonna add in 6 ounces of white sugar. This foaming sugar scrub is a really gentle exfoliator, and it does get a nice lather to it as well when you use the Stephensons foaming bath butter base. So it's like a cleanser, an exfoliator, and a moisturizer in one, and I love a good multi-use product. So for this one, after we've added in our sugar, we're going to also add in 1 tablespoon of lemon peel just for a little extra exfoliation, and kind of go along with that theme with the lemon peel. And you know, since we're heading into the spring and summer months and all things citrusy are great this time of year, we're going to use lemon essential oil as well. And this is, I'm doing it at a 3% usage rate for this particular recipe. So we're gonna get that in there. We're also gonna add in 3 ounces of sweet almond oil. That is for the moisturizing piece of the puzzle here. Sweet almond oil is really great for your skin. It's a real light oil, so it's not going to leave you feeling greasy after you use it. Almost there. Then I'm going to add in just a little bit of vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, so also great for the skin. I haven't opened this one yet, so I was ill prepared. Let me get the thing off here. And I'm just doing about a teaspoon. I'm not going to measure it, just squirting it in there. For our colorant, we're doing Love and Sunshine by Nurture Soap. Nice bright yellow, which goes right along with our lemon theme. We're going to start off with that amount. If we need more, we'll add it after it starts whipping. And then since this is a foaming sugar scrub and there's no water in it, but it can come in contact with water when you're scooping it out to use it in your bath or shower, I am going to add in a preservative. This is Optiphen Plus, and I'm doing 0.17 ounces of this. All right, and now we're just gonna let this whip until it's about doubled in size. Usually for me that's around 8 to 10 minutes, but you never know, kind of depends on a few different factors. But let's go ahead and get it mixing. And here's what it looks like after 8 minutes. So you can definitely see it's doubled in size. Has some nice peaks in it. Looks pretty much like frosting. I love the yellow color. I don't need to add any more, and those little flecks of the lemon peel I think are really nice too. So you want to store this in an airtight container. I like to use either these little ball jars like this, which I got at IKEA. They're really affordable there, or mason jars work well too. So I'm going to get these in the container and show you what it looks like. Now I know some people aren't super fond of using a pre-made base, but for these foaming sugar scrubs and bath butters, oftentimes it's pretty economical to use the pre-made base rather than making it yourself. And you know, the ingredients are clean-ish, so they're not horrible. You could definitely get a cleaner one if you did it on your own, but they're not bad. So just get it all in there. You could pipe these in as well, but these are just for me to use, so I'm not too worried about piping it in. So let me get the rest of these filled up and I'll show you what they look like. And here is what they look like. With this recipe, I was able to fill 2 of these jars and 1 little mason jar. And then you just scoop out a little bit, rub it on wherever you're wanting to wash or exfoliate, and it'll, like I said, have a really gentle exfoliation to it, as well as foaming up and cleansing as well. So super simple to make, highly suggest giving it a try. Now if you do sell these, just know they will deflate a little bit over time, not a whole bunch. It is, you know, an emulsified product, so it won't separate or anything like that in the heat. So you can continue to sell these in the summer months, unlike some body butters and things like that. But yeah, that's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and learning how to make this easy DIY foaming sugar scrub. If you did like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can be part of my community here on YouTube. Take care, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.